Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be talking about the battery drain problem or how to make battery last longer in your device Samsung Z Flip 4. So if you want to know about the battery drain problem or how to make battery last longer in your device Samsung Z Flip 4, you can do it by following a few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so you are the first one to know whenever I upload anything new. Now watch this complete video and you will learn all about the battery drain problem and how to make battery last longer in your device.